And now looking at the second question, it's pretty similar to the first question with the mystery method, but the only difference is that the actual method is different. So to start with, I would do the same thing as question 1 and just simply write out mystery 5, which is supposed to be the answer that we return with. And to trace through it, I'll replace n with the number 5. And so if 5 equals 0, which is false, so this return 1 will not be executed, and instead this else statement will be executed. So we'll return 3 times mystery n minus 1, which is 5 minus 1, which equals to 4. So mystery 4. And so the same thing is executed again with n equating to 4. And so that will be false. So 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So mystery 4 would equal to mystery 3, 3 times. And so with that, same logic would go into mystery 2 and mystery 1. And with when n equals to 1, if n equals to, so that will still be false, and so it will equal to 3 times mystery 0. And with n equating to 0, I will realize that n equal to 0 would be true, so 1 would be returned, and so this will be 1. And so if we substitute into this whole equation will equal to 3. And if we substitute 3 into mystery 1, this equation will be 9. And if we substitute that into that, 9 will be 27. And sorry, my math is really bad, as you can probably see. So 81. And 3 times 81. And so the answer here should be 243. And so yeah, A should be the answer. And now for the last question. This question is supposed to be deliberately harder, as I've chosen this in the hardest category in our AP CSA textbook, which is at Runstone Academy. And in fact, all of these questions are from our textbook. So if you want to practice more of these questions, you should definitely visit Runstone Academy. It was really useful when I studied AP CSA. And so back onto the question. This is also a pretty typical recursion question, where what I really start with is simply by writing the answer or writing the method out. And so that equating to 82 and that to 3. If I equals to 0, return 0, but since 82 is not equal to 0, so what we should return with is redo 82 divided by 3. So 82 divided by 3, that'll be 2, 7. Although there was a remainder of 1, and we could continue doing this, but because of truncating, the answer should just be 27, and J would still be 3. So, but do remember the plus 1, because I might forget it sometimes. And this same method we ran again, and 27, 3. And since 27 is not equal to 0, the same method will be ran again, where 27 is divided by 3, so it'll be 9. And since redo 9, 3, and 9 is not equal to 0, same method will be ran again, where redo 3 is ran, and plus 1, and since 3 is not equal to 0, redo 1 3 is ran again with plus 1, and well, at this point 1 divided by 3 will be equal to 0 3, since 1 divided by 3 should be 0.333 infinite, but because of truncating, simply 0 will be taken. So at this point, 0 3 with I equating to 0, this here will be true, and so 0 here will be returned. And with this equating to 0, this will be equal to 0 plus 1, so it will be 1. This will be 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2, and 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and yeah, so the answer should be 4. And thank you guys for watching my tutorial on Unit 10 of APCSA. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful. And again, big shout out to Runstone Academy, because that's where I found all my questions for me to trace through with you guys. And thank you for watching.